Hello students, in this short video I will explain how to complete the map exercise quickly. First, the easiest way is just to print the map out. So once you have the map with you, let me show you the printout. So this is a printout. I don't need the first page here, so you can just throw this away, but I need this one. Okay, with a map of the different continents. So once you have your map like this, you just draw the arrows. So for instance, you have different arrows like this, and then you just write. Maybe you have potato over here, and then maybe you have cars, and maybe you have, I don't know, maybe horses. And once you are finished, then you take your cell phone. So this is your cell phone. Normally, the best software to use in this case is what is called Adobe Scan. So you click on your Adobe Scan. That will save your file as a PDF file. So you take a picture like this, and you have it on your cell phone. You convert it as a PDF, like I said, and from there you just send it by email to yourself, so that you can put it in the Dropbox. So that's the easiest way to do the map exercise. The first one in this module, and the next in module 2, 3, and 4. But if you don't have a printer and you don't have the software to take the picture on your cell phone, you can also complete this map exercise on your computer. So let me show you my screen, and you can complete also the map exercise in the same way. So I'll stop here and I'll show you my screen. The other way to complete the map exercise is to use a Microsoft Word, which you should have on campus at the lab, or you should have on your own computer. So once you have a map like I have here on my screen, don't try to type in, because that's not gonna work. So what you need to do is just go to over here to a tab which says Insert. Click on that tab, and when you get the insert, you get in that insert tab, you have first you have shapes. So for instance, here you need arrows. The arrows may be curve or straight. Let me just use the straight arrows. So I'm gonna click on this one, and you may want to draw an arrow from Europe to America. So you do like this, and then you may want to draw another arrow from America to South America. Then you go back to the top and get your arrow and do like this, and then you have another arrow from South America to Africa. So you just do like this, and once you did that, you click again on Insert, and this time you have to go to text box, click on text box, but don't use the box that are already built in. Draw your own box. So draw text box, a new one here, and the best way to do this is just to put the box first before you type in. So we need 3 boxes. So let's set in the boxes. So you may have 1 box here. Go back to get another box. You put another box here. That's fine if the name of South America disappear. And then you have another box over here. Now you can type in whatever information you want to type in those boxes. So I may put here potato. So that's what comes from South America to Africa. And then from North America to South America, you may have maybe cars. I like cars. And then from Europe to America, you may have horses. And you are done. That's what I need. You just put in the arrows and then what comes with those arrows, and you just save your file. Save it to a place where you can get it quickly. So I put it on the desktop, and when I am ready to submit it, I go to the course. I click on the Dropbox on the in module 1. So I click here, and from here I'm a teacher, so I cannot submit this, but you should be able to submit the file once you have it somewhere in your computer. So that's how you should complete the map exercise, this one and the other map. So I showed you 2 ways to do that. So just choose the best way that is easy for you to do. Okay, bye.